Asungaphungi ke yo ayabanda lindi lapha phandle yabanda lindi lapha phandle. Otherwise ityani yakho le moya, and I'm back again with a new video man bafowethu. Phambi kokuba siqhubekeke sithini, if uyafika uyaqala ubukela, welcome zinza unethezeke uphole kuko kwenu nalapha yabo. Qayinoni subscribe, like, ucomment, ushare video sonwabe sonke. Indaba zanamhlanje kushushu njengoba nje kubanda kunjalo nje, but ke zona zihlale zikhona, niyayazi ngani alitshoni lingenazindaba. Siqale samsejonga ngapha eDurban, xa sifika ngapha eKZN, phofu KZN ya uBen Motswari ubonakele pha ufikile. uBen Motswari from Orlando Pirates has been, I don't know if I should use the word released, or you know what, let's say he has parted ways with the Buccaneers after so many years of consistency abaphathela ibhola at the highest level that you can find it in, and that has earned him a couple of calls to a national team whereby he has also performed. So it has been such a great tenure for uBen Motswari. Reginald Dluvebezatha athi athini bamba phandi yathanda mna. So he has secured himself a move to Usutu. Obviously he hasn't been getting a game time lately, and yeah, so yeah, he is signed for the season Sikuyo, and there's also an option for a further year. Then moving on, there's another departure, which is Luke Flores from SuperSport United. Luke Flores has departed with SuperSport United. The reasons have not been placed out because we saw that last season his contract got renewed after there were a few rumors that the Kaizer Chiefs is interested in him. Yabo, and we have been notified ukuba Luke Flores umkile kwi SuperSport United, and he has also been spotted training with iKaizer Chiefs kanye le ibimfuna. Kanti kumhlaba onjani lo siphila ku hayi kodwa masiphunge thina sina clubs. So uqamuhelo Mohlathi naye ngomnye weKaizer Chiefs, a dime, a very talented football player, but he leaves the Kaizer Chiefs after not being lucky enough because so it's just another talent going to waste, and I feel like he still has enough time to career kaphinda ibuyise abe grand abe mnandi like and play the bhola simazi ngayo le ayayimenza uba ahamba ayodlala kwi-South Africa ku-national team yabo. So Kamohelo Mohlathi leaves Kaizer Chiefs, and I hope that he finds a club as soon as possible, just as that new recruit of Orlando Pirates did. That splendid guy that recently moved from Mamelodi Sundowns to Orlando Pirates. I don't know how I forgot his name, but they recently started in that match that the Orlando Pirates played over the weekend. We caref. So yeah, Kamohelo Mohlathi also lives in Orlando Kaizer Chiefs. So I'm sure he can find a home in few of these clubs as Koyo, where he can revive a career yake, because he can give you equality, trust uKamohelo Mohlathi. So yeah ke siyavala kodwa sivala incam. Ansimenderdorp recently hired eTanzania kwiSingida Fountain. Jiki pha ayibo, he leaves. Why? And then club report ke ba okay, he leaves due to personal reasons. Thina saziswanga ke bazindweni personal reasons, but it's fine. Now nothing stays in the dark for ixesha elide. When the time is right, we will know. So yeah, Ensminderdorp has recently parted ways with the club, and they have said it's due to personal reasons. So they haven't really notified us about the exact reasons of why he has left. I mean, there has to be something, because he recently got hired, and then he was playing a Champions League match, by the way, over the weekend with Future FC from Egypt, and they won that game 1-0. So we don't understand why indoni le emenze ba makahambe yabo. So yeah, and to close off the video, let's just say congratulations to Ulebogang Manyama. He deserves a round of applause, no cap. Okay, he has earned himself a contract as the assistant coach to Eric Tinkler with Cape Town City FC, so which is a very big thing for the recently retired former Kaizer Chiefs player. So we know him, he has been Kaizer Chiefs, Cape Town City, with Cape Town Spurs, which was ngela xesha ke yayise Ajax Cape Town. So we wish him all the best, man, and we just wish that land wayenza ebalini, you can also do it as a gafa ke ngoku. So otherwise, thank you for watching and thank you for listening to me. Igama lam ndiyaphinda ndiyatsho ndinguMoya. So yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe and share. That's a request ke andinidelanga masinani yalo yabo, but ke ngaphezu kwayo yonke loo nto, man, nonwabe, just enjoy. Ndithanda nonke.